Hello. So we've got our sounds of the week to show you, which I've drawn over here. So, sounds of the week. Both have a T and an H together, but the sounds we've got th like a thong and th like a feather. So you probably noticed how they sound different. Th. A little trick you can do too is if you're holding your throat, if you make the soft th sound, you won't feel anything because it's just coming out of you. But if you do the th sound, you'll feel something happen to your throat. Th. So that's the difference between the sounds. So they're both exactly the same letters, same graphemes to make it. Just depends on the word. So for example, we've got some words here. So both, thank, these ones are soft. Truth, 30, length, north, throw, 10th, 13, healthy. So none of those you could feel. But if we go over to these words, they, their, rather, either, together, their, feather, neither, therefore. They've all got the z sound. So those are the two sounds of the week. See if you can find some kind of rule. Why is it sometimes th? Why is it sometimes th? Is there a rule behind it? Maybe there is. We'll find out. All right, that's sound of the week.